Okay, I was putting groceries away, and I noticed that I have this corn muffin mix right here, and there's some crazy recipes, mostly just corn recipes, but I'm gonna make this because it went bad 2 days ago. So I'm gonna see what happens, and I'm gonna make some stuff. I'm gonna add these two, a can of cream, a can of regular, and a couple of eggs. And then I was milling around, cleaning up a little bit, and I found a can of ginger ale. So let's go from there. I'll be right back. Okay, so I already poured one box of this into here. So let's do another box. Still looks pretty fresh. Alright, according to this, we need 1 egg and 3 cups of milk. I mean, 1/3 cup of milk. Alright, and I don't know if I'm going to do it that way. We're going to do it a little different. So we get that right there. So 1 egg per box. So I'll at least use 2 eggs. Let's get 2 eggs. Alright, of course, you know the deal. Alrighty, there we go. And let's get something to mix the sucker with. Alright, this looks pretty decent. So let me hold this and mix it for you. Let me see what it looks like. Okay. We're gonna need a little bit more liquid here, so let's see what this looks like when where's the can? This is from Best Yet. They all closed down, so this is also probably on its way out. What do you know? Here it is. Can't open up. That was satisfying. 1 can of that. Now we're gonna do 1 can of this regular corn. Let's drain it. Alrighty. If I gotta tell you to be careful with the cans because you don't want to cut yourself, then you shouldn't be cooking. Because obviously cut metal is sharp. So here we go. I'm gonna mix all this in now. Well, I don't want nobody to say I'm a liar, so here's the ginger ale. Let's see what that's gonna taste like in there. It's a small can. That's about half a can. Actually, looks pretty good, pretty soupy. But let's see how much protein's in this. 4 grams, 4 grams, 1 gram, and 1 gram. I think we need more protein. Let's see if we have it. $24 grams of protein right there. So let's throw a scoop in here. Scoop, beautiful. And you know what? I want really protein, 2 scoops. Almost 50 grams of protein. Excellent. Yeah, that's the stuff. I gotta tell you, that tastes pretty good. It does need a little more liquid. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it up in this pan. I'm gonna grease it first. I got the oven preheating at 400. And I'm gonna cook it for, it says on this one, I can't even read the damn thing, 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not going anything less than 25 minutes. Alrighty, and that's it. We'll see how it comes out. Excellent. Okay, the oven's not preheated yet, but I can show you the end result when it comes out. So you just know it's going in like that, uncovered, 25 minutes. I'll get back to you. I have no idea how this is going to taste. If it tastes like crap, I'm throwing it out. Or I'll feed it to the birds. But there's the oven, so you're in luck. Alexa, time 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting.
Alexa, stop. Okay, let's see what we got. Wow, that looks cool. Check this out. That looks liquidy though, too. I'm not too sure about that. But it's definitely cooked around the sides. Ooh, that is liquidy. I do not know what to do. I do know it doesn't taste that well. Boof. Let's take it out for a minute. Take a look, like a gander at this bitch. Okay. Alright, so this looks pretty damn good, but as you can tell, it's pretty damn liquid. Wait, actually, some of it's liquid and some of it ain't. I don't think it's going to solidify. I'm going to have to cook it more. But I am going to cover it right now. Maybe it'll cook a little better. So, let's get some covering on that. Good old aluminum. Maybe if it steams itself, it'll come out good. I don't really know. I'm not a great baker. But we'll find out. Let's do another 10 minutes. Alexa, time 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
See you in 10. Okay, let's see what happens. Alexa, stop. This might be my fail video. I have no clue. But I'm not putting it back in the oven after this. I'll fry it in a goddamn frying pan before I do that. Alright, let's see what we got. It's like Christmas. But it's like Christmas, but maybe I've been bad or naughty, and maybe I've been nice. Let's see. Well, that looks a whole lot better, nice and steamed. It's definitely firmer, and it feels like a cake. It looks beautiful. I'm going to let it cool, and I'll cut into that a little later. Excellent. Right now, pleasantly surprised. Don't know what it's going to taste like. Might be one for the birds. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, I was able to get it up on this cooling rack. It looks pretty done, but in the very, very center, like right around here, it's still a little liquidy in the center. So I think I made the world's first corn lava cake. And I will try it. I will try it as always, and I'll let you know if it's good or not. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't really have a lot of high expectations. Maybe if I had corn flavored protein mix, that would have worked, but we'll see. I have no clue. If I do feed it to the birds, we're gonna have some really muscle bound birds running around. I think it would be pretty funny. Alright. In a few. I got to thinking. I already got it on the rack. It's out of the pan. So now I'm going to do another 5 minutes with it sitting straight on the rack. Okay, last time coming out of the oven. Let's see what we got. Already on a cooling rack. Boom, 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 boom. Put it over here. Got a lot of fucking dish towels. Alright. Hot, 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 hot. Alright. Now, if it's liquid, it's liquid. Nope, now it's clean. That was the trick. So now it's clean. And, alright, now I'll let it cool, and then we'll cut into it. So there you have it. It's all nice and done. I'm going to take a bite in a second. It's awesome. It's actually pretty damn good. I'm probably the only one who's going to like it. But it's kind of like a cornbread dessert brownie. It's really good. I like it. Try it if you want. You'll never find a recipe anywhere other than here. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. And go watch some other videos. I make a lot of stuff. And if you want me to cook something else, I'm up for a challenge. Send me some info. Or send me some ideas. Thumbs up, please.